Hello my besties, and today's video is going to be a little different. My 12th board's results are finally out and I know some of you all have been waiting to know how I did, but before we get to that, let me take you through what this year has really been like, from starting this channel to studying or not studying and everything in between. So let's rewind a bit. Last to last year, I was that girl with 92% in 10th grade, juggling badminton, no tuitions, and still managing to pull off a top score. But 12th grade, oh boy, that was a whole different story. Due to the late night study sessions, the endless cups of coffee, and me thinking I was going to fail every single subject. And honestly, I wasn't far off. I barely studied, I skipped lectures, and just couldn't focus. At one point, I was convinced I would get around 50% max. But through it all, one thing kept me going: this YouTube channel. It started off as just time lapses of me studying because honestly, I just wanted to motivate myself, and later I had no storage left on my phone, but somehow those little videos connected with so many of you, and now here we are at almost 2000 subscribers later, two collabs later, and some amazing besties I expected to make. Let's talk about why these marks actually don't matter as much as people make them out to be. Here's the thing. For the longest time, I thought my marks were everything. Like, if I don't get a 90% or above, my life was over. But after reflecting on this past year, I realized that for me, it wasn't about the marks. It was about figuring out what I actually want to do. And that's why I didn't even give CET or JEE. I know a lot of you are preparing for engineering and I genuinely hope you crush it. But for me, my focus is on design, something I'm way more passionate about, and that's why these marks, they just don't matter to me anymore. I seriously don't know how to act around a camera, but yep, this is me finally showing my face after all this time, and now here it is, my 12th board's result. I got 65% in science stream. As someone who got 92% in 10th grade without any coaching classes, with playing badminton professionally and while juggling my other hobbies, these marks might sound very low, but honestly, I'm proud. Considering how little effort I put in, I was expecting way less. But getting 65% without coaching classes, while managing my design stuff, while still figuring out what I want to do with my life, I'll take it. To everyone who did well, congratulations, you deserve every bit of it. And to everyone who didn't, you are still amazing. Marks don't define your worth and they don't measure your talent or your potential. Trust me, life is so much more than numbers on a report card. You know, after I got my results, I was super happy. But then I started hearing things like 65%, that's it. And it got to me. I started thinking maybe I should be embarrassed about it. After some serious reflection, I realized I'm more than my marks. For me, This year wasn't about studying for exam. It was about studying myself, figuring out what I love, what makes me happy, and what I want to do next. And that's why I'm sharing this with you all. If you're feeling down about your results or feeling judged, just remember your worth isn't a number. It's in how you treat people, how hard you try, how much you grow, and how much you believe in yourself. This channel started as a way to motivate myself, and now I want it to be a place where you feel seen and understood as well. So, to everyone watching, keep going, keep growing, and keep being unapologetically you. And honestly, I'm so grateful towards my parents for letting me figure out what I actually want to do, for letting me do what I love, and for not judging me. I'm also so grateful towards some of my family members. Also, so grateful towards you all besties, because I don't think I could have done it without you all. And thank you so much for sticking around till the end. And now that my face is all out there, I cannot wait to post more videos about beauty and lifestyle. So yeah, thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.